Today I'm going to show you how to make a packing tape transfer. So here's a list of the items that you need. You're going to need clear packing tape, a bowl or cup of water. You'll find a scissors useful and a glue stick for attaching your transfers to a new sheet of paper when you're finished. And you'll need some images. Images that will work for packing tape transfers are almost anything. So this is from a magazine. These here are printed on a LaserJet printer or photocopies. The thing that you want to remember is that the ink needs to be waterproof. So an inkjet printer, those tend to be not waterproof images, and the ink that they're made out of is just gonna run when you put them in water. So here is how we make these. I am going to take the image that I want to make a transfer of, and I'm going to take my packing tape. I'm going to take my packing tape and stick it straight down on the image itself. I want to make sure that this gets burnished down and fully stuck to the image. And if my image goes a little bit wider than the tape, I'm going to just go ahead and cut it. And I can tile the tape so that my tape covers the entire image that I want to make a transfer of. I can cut the extra tape off my image now, or I can wait until after the image has sat in water. It's up to me. I'm gonna trim some of this extra off the side. And what I'm gonna do is simply take this and put it in a bowl of water. I am going to do one of each just so you can see the difference. And grab a second piece of tape and use this eyeball here. I should have cut this out of the paper first. So I'm going to go ahead and trim the extra tape off of this one as well and put this in the bowl. So your packing tape transfers need to sit in a bowl of water for as quick as 5 minutes. Usually 10 minutes is pretty good, especially if you just have thin magazine paper or a photocopy. If the paper you're using is heavier, like thicker paper, it could need to soak in the bowl of water for as long as 20 minutes. So I have one of these that's been soaking for a while, magazine image. And what I'm gonna do is just peel the paper off the back. So this one's been soaking long enough that the paper just comes completely off. And what I'm left with is a transparent image of the eye that was in the magazine. So I can take and trim this now, and I can glue this into a journal page or a piece of artwork. I can attach it with matte medium. It'll always feel a little like it's going to stick, but once that packing tape has soaked in a bowl of water, it won't stick for very long without being glued down. So I can also show you the photocopy. So the same thing, I'll go over the process again. Here is my taped image. I'm gonna just flip this over, and a lot of times what you have to do is you have to use like the pad or the side of your thumb to kind of peel up the piece of paper. So you can see that this paper is gonna peel off of here. I wanna make sure that I don't scratch. A lot of times I like to get my finger a little wet, and I can just roll what's left of the paper off that image. So there we go. Can give this a little rinse in the water. And I have my second photocopy image for you to see. Packing tape transfers. Have fun.